Welcome to DexterOS 2.0. I will show you how to connect to your GoPiGo3. My GoPiGo3 is up and running as indicated by the power LED, and the antenna LED is green, and that shows me that the GoPiGo is ready to be connected to. My first step will be to connect my laptop Wi-Fi directly to the GoPiGo Wi-Fi without dealing with the school network. I select the GoPiGo in the list of Wi-Fi networks. It is best not to choose Connect Automatically, as it can lead to the laptop connecting to the wrong robot in the future. As I am connecting to the GoPiGo, you can see the color on the LED change from green to blue. Once connected, I start my browser and connect to my GoPiGo.com. Now that I am connected, I can choose to learn to code with the help of the DexterOS lessons, or code my own project in either Blockster or Python.